Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another A Little Time Away. Today we're going to go through these Disney Adorables scenes. There's 10 of them. This is the third series. I have some already, and here are our options. If you can see that, I don't know if you can. But the main important thing about this one is there's a Fox and the Hound. If you know me, I want Fox and the Hound. So we're gonna try, hopefully I get it. I got this for Father's Day, and this was the one that they got me. You guys can see that. And I've already opened up 2 of them previously, and those are right here. So we got this one with Rapunzel. Isn't that cool? And then Pinocchio. So that is the 3 that I currently have already. Again, we're going for Fox and the Hound. That's the one we want. I tell you what, I know you probably can't see it, so I'll probably just pop up an image of it from the website. You can get these at Walmart, Target, I don't know, over Amazon. Pick them out. So they're not exclusive anywhere, but we're going to get after it, and fingers crossed, let's get Fox and the Hound. Oop. Alright, for those of you who have never opened these up before, and you want to do them, they have a card right here in the back. So we already know what this one's going to be. So if you don't want to spoil it for yourself, don't look at the card. So that's the white paper is there, so keep that in mind. But we know this one is going to be Monsters Inc. So I'll open it up, put it together, show you guys, and then we'll get on to the other 5 we got left. Look at him. Little Sully. And then here's Mike. Oh, Mike. That's so cool. And then, so these do come apart. Makes it easier to put the display together. And they do come with little cards listing all of them. You guys can check that out. Not sure. But anyhow, all right. There. So you can slide the little card in this little section here. It gives it that backdrop for when put the top back on it, and then voila! Look at that. That's cool. All right. So gotten 4 out of the 9. No repeats would be great. We'll see. Remember, I'm not going to try to spoil this one for myself, so I'm not going to look. You can kind of see the cards right here. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's right there, so I'm not going to look at it. So I'm ripping the other side, and then I am going to carefully fold it in here. Make sure I don't throw it away. And let's see. Can this be Fox and the Hound? Oh, I see it already. It's not Fox and the Hound, not yet. So hang on, everybody. The ultra rare one on this one, I believe, is Hercules. Let me double check. Yep, it is Hercules. Be kind of cool if we get that one. I like Hercules. And we got Tough to Be a Bug. Oh, cool. There's Flick. Here he is. The Tough to Be a Bug. So, awesome. That's 5 out of the 10. No repeats yet, still. Oh, my first repeat is Tangled. My daughter will be super excited about that because she loves Tangle, so she will get her own Tangle set. So I will not put that one together. We'll skip that one. And then here we go. No more repeats. Only one. I don't want another one. Remember, we're wanting Fox and the Hound. That is the one we want. And looky what we have. Aw, yeah. Here's Copper. And then here is Tod. There's the back of it. Take a look. How awesome is that? Mission complete. I've got it. That's the only one I really wanted. But let's open up the rest. We got 2 more left. Maybe next is the ultra rare one. Try not to spoil it. Try not to spoil it. Okay. And nope. It is another Fox and the Hound. So I got 2 back to back. It's okay if I repeat on that one. That one's my ultimate favorite, so I want bore y'all with me opening that one and putting it together again. So the last one, ultra rare. We want to go for Hercules, Moana's on here. I want Moana. That would be cool. So let's see which one. Just no repeats. No repeats. Oh, I just pulled it. I saw the card. And it is a repeat. It's going to be Monsters Inc. again. So, anyhow, hey, we got the most important one. That's the one we wanted. And we might try for some more. But anyway. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Talk to you soon. Later. Bye.